Hi, this is Pavel from the solution engineering team at Newchant, and I'd like to walk you through a quick demo of a customization that we did on the Newchant Web SDK to zoom in when you scroll with the mouse wheel instead of scrolling for the page. So this comes up quite often when our customers are used to zooming in with their mouse wheel wherever the mouse is pointing, whether it's from applications like Autodesk or Bluebeam. And because we provide an SDK and not an off-the-shelf solution, you can completely customize the behavior of the web SDK or the viewer that we provide. And in this case, what we have done is it's actually just under 50 lines of code. And what we're basically doing here is we're just saying that whenever the user scrolls with their wheel, so we're listening for that wheel scroll event, override the default behavior. So don't scroll the pages as you would normally do, but actually calculate the position, like the zoom level that we should be at, log it to the console, and then just set the zoom level that we just calculated. So you can see wherever I'm pointing with my mouse, and if I scroll with my wheel, that's where I'm zooming in. So it's as simple as that, basically. It's just preventing the default behavior with this one line of code, calculating a new zoom level with these few lines, and then just setting the zoom level. And that's it. You have a scroll to zoom feature like you have seen in other applications. If you have a use case like this, if you have questions about this one, or if you have a similar use case, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.